Hi, welcome to Kiwiland again, and this is my Samsung 4K LED TV teardown. And yeah, it's bad. It's really bad. Okay, just for interest, this is a one board TV. Let's have a look. One board. I do have the speakers out, but literally that is it. One board. Fantastic, huh? A lot of empty space. Now let's get to the exciting bit. Burn, baby, burn. Diffuser screens. This is the thin one. It's a bit like very thin paper. And we have some holes. Obviously, it should be nice like this. And yeah, it's burnt some holes in it. But there, wait, there's more. It gets better. This is the thick diffuser screen. I don't know what you call it for sure, but this thing has melted big time. Like, this has been hot, and it's cracked. Sorry, my focus is a wee bit out, but boy. Okay, the LEDs. Now, I have got some LEDs from China. I'm going to attempt to replace it, but with the diffuser the way it is, I don't expect it will be a good picture. Let's have a look. Side-by-side comparison. Brand new with the splatterlicious. That's the only word I could think of. It's literally, they've literally splattered. Hot. Very hot splatter. Hot. Ooh, there's two good ones. Hot, melty, hot, splattery, dead, and hot. So, yeah. Welcome to the Samsung, people. And thank you very much for Samsung, for not replying to my question about, is this thing going to get hot and is there a risk of fire? Thank you for no reply whatsoever. And yeah, risk of fire? Don't know. Getting hot? Yep. Tick that one off. Okay. Nina the cat would like to say hello before we go. Hi, Nina. Yep. Bye-bye from Kiwiland. And have a good day. Cheers.